beautiful 6-unit classroom complex to Kabla Agaseni community. This was a collaborative effort of the community, from Ghana and Quaker of Korea. This started about a year ago, around April 2011, with communal labor from the community and funds from Quaker and Plum. With hard work and determination by all parties, we see beside us a completed school complex, which will be handed over to us today. We thank our donors for this offer, and as Oliver will ask for more, we also ask for more, because looking at our environment, there is the need for more infrastructure to make the school complete. Our dreams have finally come true, and we are welcoming all of you once again to witness the ceremony.
Of running, of rain, snakes, and the dodging of falling walls is